Welcome. If you're looking to reshare your own post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, this updated guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to bring attention back to an important update or simply share your thoughts again, reposting is quick and easy with the latest version of X. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options. Click on your profile to access your personal timeline. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you'd like to repost. Beneath every post, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the repost icon. It's shaped like two arrows forming a square. This is the button you'll use to share your post again with your followers. Click on the repost icon. A small pop-up will appear, giving you two choices: repost or quote. If you simply want to share your post as it is, click repost. Your post will instantly be shared with your followers, and it will appear in their feeds with the repost symbol, showing that you've reshared your own content. If you want to add a comment or your own thoughts before sharing, choose the quote option instead. This lets you personalize your repost with extra context, but for a straightforward reshare, just stick with repost. That's all there is to it. Your post is now live again, ready to reach more people and spark new conversations. Reposting is a powerful way to boost your content's visibility on X, especially when you want to highlight something important or timely. Thanks for watching. For more simple tech tips and social media tutorials, don't forget to check out our other guides.